65,000. And today I'm going to be reviewing this DeLong guy microwave oven. Now this is one of the most modern looking appliances I've ever seen. It's so nice. And guess what? It looks they've kind of like copied the Siemens and Bosch design, but I thought this is beautiful. It's ever so stylish with its stainless steel and black finish. You have your programmable timer, and okay, so let's look at the microwave itself. Okay, so it's not the biggest microwave in the world, but this is better than nothing, I suppose. The reason we're using this plate is because the glass plate it came with it is broken. This is one lovely looking appliance. Got the wave guide cover right there. Now you've got the and now you can see where that's where the there is a turn. It's the thing that makes it turn. Now this is just, like I said, this is just beautiful looking appliance. There we go. Here you've got a clock and kitchen timer. And guess what? This is so modern. It's a lovely finish to it. It's finish. It's just so modern and stylish. Here's one of the most seen. It goes up to 800 watts. Got the DeLong logo there. Got the microwave. Got WT time defrost. And you got the dial, which will tell you the time. And that's how it works. And yes, this is ever so lovely looking appliance. So here's how it looks in the kitchen, and make sure you please do check the dimensions before you purchase. All in all, this is one fantastic appliance. If you really want a Siemens or Bosch looking appliance to look very similar to it, and you really want it to look similar, then go for this. So that is the DeLong guy microwave. Oh, it doesn't say the brand name. I need to go to the brand name. Okay. Open close the door. There we go. Oh, that's fine out the model number. But as soon as I do it, this is one fantastic appliance from DeLong guy. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you soon.